Anytime you have a contractor come in, you may have questions run through your mind, such as, will there be any issues with this work? I know it would run through my mind. Stay tuned to hear common issues when it comes to slab jacking. Hi, I'm Nolan Berry, the Director of Sales Development at AccuLevel. Slabjacking is a common practice for removing unsightly cracks and trip hazards in concrete. In this video, I'll explain why slabjacking should be done, what could go wrong, and how issues can be prevented. If you're a homeowner and you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, ring that bell for more content about home repair and waterproofing. Let's get started. When slabjacking is used, it's when concrete has sunk or there are voids underneath the concrete found. So this is a practice to actually raise concrete back up or fill voids so that it doesn't sink in the future. One of the biggest things that can happen in slabjacking with foam is it can actually overlift. With somebody that hasn't been doing it for very long, can actually create the low part to be the too high part. And then you're kind of chasing that problem. The other thing is lifting. When it comes to a home, maybe it's the slab inside the home, maybe you can't always get lift. Talking to the expert that's at your home to make sure that they describe what can prevent us from lifting so we can do everything on the front end to better those chances is really, really important. Most of them can be. Like I said before, it has so much to do with experience. So making sure that you have an experienced contractor doing the work is the number one thing that's going to help eliminate as many problems as possible. Now, like anything that we do, we are working on a repair. So this is an established structure. So there's going to be things that we can't see or know before we get started that could prevent it from actually lifting. Now the good news is even if it doesn't lift all the way back in the perfect spot, it's going to be stabilized. So the underlying problem of those voids that allowed that slab to settle is fixed. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, acculevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about slabjacking for your home? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.